Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear watch history on TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok account, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And now in here you just click on the setting and privacy, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see watch history. And after this, if you wanna clear your watch history on TikTok account, so it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the setting icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the clear history. Click on it and then click clear and finish. So that's how to clear watch history on TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.